I'm super excited, guys. I finally created my first video on my YouTube channel after so much procrastination. Hi guys, I'm Naya Francis. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video ever on my YouTube channel after so much procrastination. Now, what is this channel all about? On this channel, we'll be discussing about business. We are going to learn how to take our business to the next level. Everything you need to know about business will be discussed right here on this channel. So if you're interested in that, do not forget to subscribe. And secondly, I'll be discussing about my YouTube journey, which I just started today. Yes guys, I'm going to let you all know when I get monetized and how my first check pay is gonna be like. I know you'll be wondering, why am I talking about monetization when I just started? Yes, I'm talking about it because I have so much belief that with the support of you guys subscribing on my channel, trust me, it's going to be successful. And secondly, with consistency, I know it's going to happen. So talking about procrastination, do you all know that since the beginning of this year, I already had it in mind that okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to start up my YouTube channel, but I wasn't too sure. I kept on contemplating, should I or should I not? So I started watching other YouTubers video, and trust me, it really helped me a lot because I learned how to edit my video myself. I learned how to create a good thumbnails. So if you want to start up your YouTube journey, you have to watch other people's video because you are going to learn so much on that. Apart from videos like this, maybe you want to start up a tuition channel, you want to start up anything, just try to watch other people's video. So after watching those videos, I said to myself, I think this is what I want to do. And ask me, can you all just ask me, why haven't I started since beginning of this year? I kept on procrastinating. I'll say to myself, I'll do it next week, I'll do it next month, and I end up doing nothing, like absolutely nothing. Not until last 2 weeks, after I came back from an event, I sat down and asked myself this question: why haven't I started? Why can't I just start? Why am I always just talking about it? Then I took my pen and my book and I wrote out the things I've been needing to start up this channel. And the things I wrote down, I've been needing a tripod for stability of my video, I've been needing a good light, I've been needing a camera. So I ordered this tripod, and lucky for me, the tripod already came with a ring light, so I don't need to start ordering them separately. And look at me right now, I have created, in fact, I'm so happy, I'm so excited, I finally made my first video on my YouTube channel. So guys, if you want to start up your YouTube channel just like me, do not forget to always watch other people's video. Not only that, just start. Don't always talk about it. Stop procrastinating. Stop saying I'll do it today, tomorrow, next tomorrow. You will end up doing nothing because it's going to start looking so difficult for you. So always start. Apart from YouTube channels like this, apart from anything concerning maybe YouTube, if you want to start up a business, you want to start up maybe your weight loss journey, anything you want to start, just start. Stop talking about it because trust me, you're going to do nothing. You're going to get frustrated. Thank you all for watching to the end of this video. Catch you all on my next video. I love you all.